Well, the people who have lost their lives, I pray to the God for their soul to rest in peace. And the family members who have lost their near and dear ones, let the God give them the strength to withstand their losses. First of all, I would like to condemn this incident, what has happened. The complete lapses of the administration, probably neutrally, unbiasedly, I just want to make a statement. It is complete intelligence failure and the law and order failure. To manage the situation, they should understand. See, Tamil Nadu is known for the craze for the stars. They just love them. They respect them. There is a lot of craze. Understanding this situation, the Tamil Nadu government should have taken all the measure to ensure there is a safety of the life. So probably in this situation, there is a complete failure of the administration and the law and order of the Home Department. I call upon this Tamil Nadu government to take action against the concerned officers because of the failure to provide the adequate security has left to the loss of life. And the Tamil Nadu government should come forward to ensure the people who have lost their lives, they are adequately compensated. In future, this kind of incident should not happen. And Vijay has come forward to compensate those family. Agree. But even then, care has to be taken. That's all I can tell. I can't, politicize. I don't want to politicize any of this incident. We need to respect those lives and ensure their safety.
India is playing.
On this match, we want India to win. I think all the Indians and cricket fans across the world are looking forward for this very competitive match, a fiercely fought match. I think cricket is loved by each and every Indian. They just love this game. Probably this match is very interesting, and only the bitterness of the Pakistan is only painful. But sport has to cross all these boundaries. Sport has got no boundaries, and we need to love this game, just enjoy this game. And in this direction, I give my best wishes to Indian team to win this cup. The cup should be ours.